Welcome back to the Healed Process podcast. I'm your host, Reverend Sarah Sparks, soul alignment mentor, Amazon best-selling author, and the creator of the Healed Process. Today, we're going deep into something every visionary, creative, soul-led woman must master: making empowered financial decisions. Because the truth is, money is spiritual. How you invest, save, spend, or withhold tells a story about your beliefs, your worth, and your alignment. So, if you've ever felt stuck in fear, second guessing, overanalyzing every money move, today's episode is your energetic recalibration. We're going to walk through the 3 energetic roots of financial disempowerment. How to know when fear is running the show. 3, a soul-aligned decision-making practice you can use right now. And finally, how making aligned financial choices creates overflow, not lack. And before we dive in, a sacred invitation for those ready to go deeper, a sacred ascension, 42 days to your healed and whole self begins now. It is just $111, 111. If you're done living halfway, done second guessing, and ready to rise into your divine legacy, join us now. So you can join us at sarahsparks.love. Let's go. Why we struggle with financial decisions. Let's name it. Most of us were never taught how to make money decisions from the soul. We were taught to choose safety over expansion, to spend based on logic, not resonance, to believe that big financial decisions require fear and stress. But fear clouds clarity. Overthinking invites self-doubt, and when you don't trust yourself with money, money doesn't trust you either. Now, there are 3 roots of financial disempowerment. These are patterns I see in women all the time, and I've lived them too. 1, core wound of lack. The deep belief that there's never enough. 2, approval seeking, making money decisions to please others or prove something. 3, abandoning intuition, overriding your knowing for what seems practical. These patterns aren't your truth. They're inherited, but they can be healed. And that's what we do in the healing process. So ask yourself these 3 questions before any financial decision. This is your mini practice, whether it's $20 or $20,000. Check in with your soul. First question, does this feel like expansion or contraction in my body? I'll repeat that for you. Does this feel like expansion or contraction in my body? Again, these are questions to ask yourself before any financial decision. Second question, am I trying to prove, please, or push? Am I trying to prove, please, or push? Number 3, is this aligned with the version of me I'm becoming? Is this aligned with the version of me I'm becoming? If it feels light, it's aligned. If it feels like pressure, fear, urgency, it's a no or a pause. Empowered financial choices create overflow. Have you heard that before? I know this was new concept to me that empowered financial choices do actually create overflow. When you honor your soul's wisdom with money, money starts flowing in with ease because you're not chasing, you're allowing. The universe rewards clarity. It expands aligned choices. I've watched clients go from fear around charging 200 to calling in 20K clients with joy and ease. Not because of a sales trick, but because their energy shifted. I got to be part of a summit, and you may have seen it on here. I interviewed Irina, and because of that summit, I created the Healed Client Attraction Blueprint. And I think it would be perfect if you are one of those people wanting to shift your energy from having fear around charging 200 to now attracting the 20K client. And the Healed Client Attraction Blueprint attracts premium clients with soul aligned strategy and empowered magnetism. And so it goes through the 3 biggest blocks keeping premium clients away. There's shift exercises and activations in there to shift your energy and messaging. It's a free guide. So I'll link it here for you to take advantage of and utilize. Let's go now to an activation exercise. Take out your journal. Write down a decision you've been avoiding, overthinking, or shrinking around. What's that decision? Do you got it? Write it down. Then write down these 3 questions. What does my soul know is true here? What does my soul know is true here around this decision that you've been avoiding, overthinking, or shrinking around? What does my soul know is true here? Second question, what am I afraid will happen if I trusted myself? What am I afraid will happen if I trust myself? And number 3, who do I become when I choose from alignment? Who do I become when I choose from alignment? Answer those questions and then read your answers out loud, letting your voice rewire your belief. This is between you and you. You don't have to share it with me or anyone else. And this is your chance to activate your divine wealth. Love, you were not born to play small with money. You were not meant to micromanage miracles. You are here to be a clear channel for wealth, for vision, for divine overflow. And that starts with choosing from your truth, not your fear. So if you're ready to release the blocks, clear the noise, and finally trust yourself with money, join us in the Sacred Ascension. 42 days, 1 decision, your full soul is being reclaimed for just $111. We have begun. It is going strong. Join us. You're not too late. You can sign up at sarahsparks.love. And if you're not sure where to start, take the free core wound quiz to uncover what's really blocking your abundance. Remember this: aligned financial decisions are not just about money. They are about who you believe you are. And if you want to change, if you want your financial outcomes to change who you believe you are. We all do this in sacred ascension inside the healed process. See you in the next episode. Love big, rise bold. I'll talk to you later. I'm Sarah Sparks. Have a wonderful day.